Good day everyone, this is Vanessa here, welcoming you all back to this channel. What I have for you today, it's a skincare haul. I've just got a bunch of products about a month ago and I've been way too lazy to film the skincare haul. And now I'm like, well, it needs to be done if I ever want to use those products. So, without further ado, let's see what I got. So, here are my lovely products. First of all, I got myself a brush. I should say I love white plastic bristle brushes. Like, they're a holy grail for me. I have a lot of them. Second, I got myself some coconut oil. I do use it before washing my hair. I just slather it onto my hair, allow it to sit there for about 8 hours, and then I wash my hair. I got this hair mask because my hair, it's a disaster ever since I used the Vatica almond oil. This is a nightmarish product. I do not recommend it, and I'll link the video up in the cards for you. Staying on the topic of hair repair and hair products, I got myself Dove Regenerate Nourishment Serum. It's my first time getting it and I am oh so curious about it. Let's hope it does what it says it should do. Another product that I got is this shower flower. I got it in yellow because as a true Leo, I love my yellow items. Like, I've got to have yellow something. The sensitive micellar water shower gel. For some reason, the packaging on this particular delivery was a disaster. A lot of packaging. I'm not against packaging in general, but this was an overkill. So, let's say that I have very high hopes for this product because even though I used Dove products for years, those that are targeted towards sensitive skin, I don't know, they were not exactly to my liking. So, moving on, I got myself the Dove Sensitive fragrance-free deodorant because then again, whenever I get the shower gel, I need to get the corresponding deodorant because everything in this life needs to match. And I've also decided to get a spare one for another shower gel that I already have, and that is the Cotton Soft version. I'm pretty curious on using this one because the sensitive one turned out to be, well, not my favorite because, well, even though I know fragrance is not exactly the best ingredient out there, I do enjoy a product that has a wonderful, elegant fragrance. I don't know, like, there is a reason why the fragrance is there. It really does make a difference. It really is appealing to customers. Like, it makes it all the more enjoyable to use the product. Moving on, I stocked on hand creams under the current circumstances. I think we all should. I got this Cashmere Comfort in the Derma Spa line. I'm pretty curious about it. The Dove Nourishing Secrets, the milk and honey version, because then again it's supposed to be slightly more nourishing than others. And the matcha one, because it's summer and why not? Last but not least, I got the Vaseline. I absolutely love this because I have very but very dry chapped lips. So, in order for me to manage it, I need my Vaseline. I got myself dozens and dozens of lip balms in hopes that, well, maybe one of them will do the job. But nothing, that is nothing apart from this, worked for me. With that being said, that is all that I have for you today. And now I would like to hear from you. Have you used any of the products that I got? And if so, did you like them or did you not? What was your overall experience with the products? And last but not least, do let me know if you want to see an in-depth review of any of the items that you've seen. I will see you again very soon in another video. And until then, remember, beauty is skin deep.